I would like to request Honorable Principal along with students to come on the stage and receive the award. Honorable Principal and along with students. Give a huge round of applause and welcome the Principal. Welcome your guests. Professor Razamuddin, ex-principal Commerce College, Murree, and ex-principal Margala Cadet College, Murree.
The first category is Best Regular Student, and the award goes to Cadet Muhammad Ali Tahir from class 1st.
Military Academy Carpool served at different positions in renowned Cadet College of Pakistan. Please come on the stage and honor us. Give a big round of applause. Major Imran, along with his special guest and the cousin of General Retired Haasel Nawaz Janjua.
Now, the showing positive discipline award goes to Muhammad Anas from class 10. Please come on stage and receive your award. Muhammad Anas from class 10. Now the Best IC Sport Award goes to Cadet Hasnan Khan from class 10. I request him to please come on stage and receive your award. Now the award for the Best Sportsman goes to Cadet Malik Taimur Ali, class 2nd year. I request him to please come on stage and receive his award. Now the Best Husn Qiraat Award goes to Cadet Muhammad Daniel from class 2nd year. I request him to please come on stage and receive his award. Now the award for the Best North Farm goes to Cadet Anis Imtiaz from class 2nd year.
The next category is Best Campaign and the award goes to Abdul Hadi from class 9. Abdul Hadi from class 9. It's an honor to be with you on a such a memorable moment. You are my co-host. Congratulations. The next category is Best Safeguarding and the award goes to Cadet Malik Karul. Cadet Malik Karul, please come on the stage and receive the award. The next category is Best in Calligrapher. Best in Calligraphy. And the award goes to Cadet Adnan Ali from class P9. Cadet Adnan Ali from class P9, please come on the stage and receive your award. The next category is the Best Debater. And the award for the Best Debater goes to Cadet Wajan. Cadet Wajan from class 12. Give him a huge round of applause. Congratulations boys who are receiving their awards. Best of luck for the future. Keep shining and keep working hard. Give them a big round of applause. Appreciate each boy who is receiving award from the birthday guest. Judges, you can go now and take your seats. Thank you for coming here. Honorable sir, please have your seats, sir. Judges, you can take your seats, sir. Thank you for arrival.
Now should we add an entertainment segment? As we know that music is the food of soul.